we're going to install theme on that WordPress. Let's open our WordPress and start our work. Go to application and open. So if you want to sign in, then you add this here. Admin, just like normal WordPress, then click. So I'm already signed in, so I don't need any other details. So the next thing we're going to do now, we're going to change the theme. So to change the theme, you click on appearance, then themes. So this is default of welcome theme. This is 2021. So let me get rid of this and that. So the theme we're going to add here now is called GeneratePress theme. The second to none, or the most fastest theme for now. So we'll click on add theme, and here we type GeneratePress. GeneratePress. Yeah, this is the theme. So click on install. It's installing now. This is a free theme, and every free theme comes with what they call watermark or trademark at the footer. Now we're going to do a customization to remove that. Don't know why it's taking time to install. Maybe because it's a Bitnami WordPress. If it's a main WordPress, we have finished before now. So it's done, it's installed. So we can now activate. As activated, I'm going to remove this one. The essence of removing this theme is to create more space so that our website will be faster. To remove it, I click on details, then select delete, then click OK. I'll do the same thing here. Click on detail, select delete, and click OK. I'll do the same thing here. Delete and OK. Now we're left with GeneratePress. So I have to go for customization. But before we do that, we need to download must-have plugin. We'll come to plugin. I'll click install. This is a bunch of plugin we have now. None of them is even activated. So you can get rid of all this, but you can leave it since they are not activated. Or let me check the one that we might need. I want migration. So stay deleting. So let's go ahead now and download the plugin which we use to customize our GeneratePress theme to make it look beautiful. But before that, let's see how our site look like. So click on visit site and open link. Let's see our site. Look at the site. Then if you go down here, look at what they call trademark or watermark. So this is not a pro, this is a free theme. If it's a premium or pro theme, you will not see this. This will disappear. What we're going to do now, let's see how we can remove this particular thing with customization. So This is what is on our sidebar. This is recent post, this comment. I think they're all good. Then is our navigation menu. So let's install the theme we need and we'll start customization. So click on plugin and click install. Then we'll click add new. Then first of all, Elementor. It's called Elementor. So let's check whether it's here. Yeah, it's here. Essential add-on for Elementor. So we're going to install that. Then we'll search for Elementor as well. It's Elementor. Yeah, Elementor website builder. Essential add-on for Elementor. So these the two things we need here. Install this. Wait for it to finish installation before I install this one to avoid conflict. So this one is done. So it's Elementor. There's all here. It has a footer and head as well. You may need this for your Google AdSense. But remember, we're working with our local hosted WordPress. We're hosting this WordPress on our machine. This is my computer, not anywhere else. So activate this. Okay, for now, I'm going to start my work. I don't need other things. Good. I'll go to customize. This is our website. Remember, before you start creating websites, you must have a logo. Logo is important. That's the identity, a brand. Not like Google and other things. So this is the logo of WordPress. This is a Google logo. It's a Google. And this a Bitnami logo. So we must have logo because here now we're going to add our own logo. So we'll start customization for our WordPress website using GeneratePress free theme. So first of all, we go to site identity. So this is the site identity. Let's add you can hide this. Then, but it's good we leave it. Add the tagline. The tagline, let's say our free WordPress. Our free WordPress site for Edu. For Edu. It's education purposes. So we say hide tagline, we're not hiding it. So we want it to show here. Now we need a logo, just as I speak earlier. So tap here. So let's check library if there is something there. There's nothing in our library. So let's upload the logo. Let me check if I have some image on my. Pick it from here, then drop it here. So this is fine because it's transparent. We'll select that. This is how it look like. I don't need to crop. Well, let me try crop and see. So this image is a little bit big, so we're going to resize it. This is the resize, and you can see. So resize it. I think it's okay like this. You can resize it more. Well, this logo looks fine. Then the next thing we're going to do, I want to put site logo. The site logo are what you see in browser tabs, bookmark, and within the WordPress mobile house. Upload one here. The icon should be 512 by 512 pixel. So go back to where we are now. So select an icon. We're going to upload it. It's a bar image. We have uploaded our icon, as you can see it here. So this is nice. So done with site identity. Then we'll go back and choose layout. Go in layout, we have this. And this is the container width from here to here. So you can increase or reduce it. So you can put one container or separate container. You can add text or box. So the choice is yours. Then this header, the header presets, the current one. So you can change it. This header width is full. Inner header width contain the header alignment left. So nice, it's here. Now, okay with that. So we have a primary navigation. So it flow right. This is our navigation here. So when you create a navigation menu, I'm going to see it. Navigation drop down, hover. Is you created the one that has a drop down. Then drop down direction right. Then navigation search is disabled. So if we enable it, we're going to have a search within here. Okay. So if we enable it, we have a search within there. You can check how you look on mobile phones. This is how this site will look on mobile phone. So if you don't like it, you can still change from here. So go back. Well, let's remove it and leave it the way it is because we already have search here. So be careful not to go back because we never publish. Otherwise, all the changes you make will disappear. So we now sidebars. So it's a content sidebar. This is the sidebars. The sidebar layouts, block sidebar layouts, and single sidebar layout. So you can edit them and see what happens, but that takes time. So do it at your own time. Then footer, here, this is the place we like to work on. So this is footer. So we're going to create another footer to know if we can remove this. So back to top button is disabled. We can enable that. When you enable it, you're going to see it. But for now, it's disabled. So now we go back. We're coming back for this. Okay, then blog. Say blog type is section or full content. If we change it to full content, we'll see it. But for now, we're using section. You can learn more about this here. Good. So this is all about layouts. So let me click publish before we go back. Avoid losing all this I've done. Where you can still edit this and edit that. So click here and we'll go to colors. Good. It say body. This is the color for body. Header. You can say color for header. Primary navigation. And let me change color for that and see. Navigation background. Let me see. Good. You can say the color has changed. When you change the color, you also need to change the text color. So the text color is black. So I can change it to white. I choose this. So you can say it is now white. Then when you hover, it changes as well. Subtext, sub menu background, and then so let's for this. I just show you how you can do that. Then button.